We are good to go. Drivers, here we go. Your judges are Sam, Mark, and myself. And our camera's ready. So you know the rules. Go on your first slip. There's one rollover with a minute 23. That is going to do it. That is 2 rollovers with 53 seconds left.
All right, we got Jacob with the puncher. You got a timer? All right, perfect. Gamers ready? Jacob, you're good to go on your first pick, man. All right, punchers on the course. Okay. Whoa, nice. Oh, yeah, he's got that save. Nice, good wheel spin. Nice, get the back foot to Stoppy. Nice. Little moonwalk. Yeah. Oh! Has he got it? Oh, he's holding it. That's a roll. Oh, no, he got it. He got it. Yeah, okay. You're still working for it. There you go. Nice wheel spin. All right. Here's go for next. Nice big center jump. All right. Keeping it nice and clean. Yeah, through there. Nice little puncher. All right, puncher. Doing a good run. Nice sliding. Oh, good cam. Taking it out. Yeah. That right there, real pretty. Nice with the reverse flip to this man. Getting wild out here with the puncher. Oh, side slap. Touch on the wheels though. Nice, so far. Oh, there's your turn. There's the back flip. 10 seconds left to take the puncher. Nice, big fire. Oh, cycle save. That's going to do it. That's going to be the run for Jacob.
That was less than 10 seconds?
Yeah. Oh, yeah. Brendan, son of the digger. All right, let's see how this young man's freestyle performances have improved. You know the drill, my friend. A minute and a half on the clock on the first hit. All right, Brendan's under the clock. Nice. Oh, side it. You gonna get it? No, turtle it. That's one roll. Plenty of time left. All right. And back on the clock with the backflip. Oh, nice. Same height as the neighbors. There you go. This is good. Ow. Take that. Yeah. Yeah, nice guy with the cars in the back. Yeah. Good run for him so far. They're coming to the roll nicely. Oh, save the back quick. Nice. Looks like he's trying on 2 wheels still there. He takes one up. 2 back. Nails it. No shifted off the front axle and it survived. Nice job. How much time left for the young man? 30 seconds left, Brittany. Time to unleash it. There we go. Let's see what he's got in the last 30 seconds. Can he get a save? He's back on the wheel. Good save. Oh! On the Rude. Says, take that. Yeah, good air. 10 seconds left. One for another backflip. Nice, nails it. Oh! That is time for Brendan and son of a digger.
Good job, dude.
That was a sweet run. Ryan, the great digger, you are out next. And then Kyle, you're on deck with Bigfoot 14. Is the track okay to your standard? All right, cool. All right, cameras are ready. All right, go on your first hit. Ryan with the great digger. The sun's just got their freestyle. Let's see what that can do. Oh boy. Oh, he's turtle. That's one roll. Got caught in a weird spot there, unfortunately. All right. Got plenty of time left. It seems to be the mode today. Everybody gets their roll out of the way early. All right, we're back on the clock with the great digger. Yeah, nice wheel stand. Nicely done. Oh, didn't get it? No. That's all she wrote. She's turtled. That's all for the great digger. All right, we have Kyle with Bigfoot 14, and then Luke with Monster Control on deck. All right, let's see what Bigfoot 14's got. Cameras, are we good? Cameras are good. With the big power wheel start, parking on the back foot, another power wheel. Bigfoot, start that off. Yeah, nice back foot for the Bigfoot truck. Whoa, big tailgate slap on that one. There you go. Good one. Nice sky wheelie for Bigfoot. Whoa, that's crazy when somebody saves it. Bigfoot 14, look on the run so far. He's got a lot to live up to. Jacob's going to lead that round to 25. And one roll for the Bigfoot. How much time left? 58 seconds left. Plenty of time left for Bigfoot. All right, take a second to collect your thoughts. Get your line figured out. Let's get back on the run. And Bigfoot, back in the way. Wow. Hey, he saved it. That was cool. We do a wall a little bit, but it's okay. And another big air shot from the Bigfoot truck. There you go, nice and smooth. Nice little combo through the center of the track. Another Bigfoot backflip. Can you save it? And no, that's going to be it for Kyle. 28 seconds left. All right, looks like we're good. We're back on the clock. Cameras are ready. Go ahead, your first hit, my friend. You have 90 seconds. There we go. 90 seconds for Monster Control. Oh! One more for Monster Control. You have plenty of time left, man. That's the biggest trick of freestyle, chasing the clock. You have to get the tough start. Nice. Good momentum for Monster Control. Looks like he's in the wall a little bit. He got out. He's good. They took his wrist to go to the big one. Yeah. Good done so far. Ooh. Thank you. Yeah. There's a snap the guard. Get the two. Save. Nice job. Sometimes you just gotta stay in it. Do that. And that's going to be the second roll. 44 seconds left. Okay. So we got Jason getting all set up here. Ready to roll, brother?
Good to go?
Yep, we're good to go. All right, live time, 1 o'clock. It's HCI Friday Party, Bog Hog. Oh, I guess it's a hit on my Bog Hog, sorry. All right, here comes the one. Ooh, it's to the wall there. Got a full backflip onto the roof. Turtled it. One roll. How much time left? 107. Tons of time left. You can push that back with me. Yeah. Good move on your foot. Yeah. All right. Get the Wild Child back underway here. All right, back on the clock with the Wild Child. Plenty of time left. Just a minute. Yeah, good there. Nice combos. Nice free flip on there. Just coming up from the block. Nice little two wheels. And right into the back flip. See the good one there? Yeah! Oh, that was a rough one, but he got out of it. Oh, into the crush cam! Your signature move today. That's going to do it for Jacob. How long? 30 seconds. Alright, cameras are ready. Robert, you can go on your first hit, my friend. Alright. Smashing the crush cam. Everybody hates the crush cam today.
We hate the crush cam.
This custom-made Tamaya something is out here putting on another freestyle. One of my favorite vehicles to watch. Oh, I can't get to save that time though. Alright, Robert, still plenty of time on the clock. This thing actually started life as a crawler. Now he's adding monster truck in there. Oh! Oh! And he broke the link, and that's going to do it for Robert. Is that going to do it for Lily too?
I don't know. Let me see.
Okay. Let us know. The front wheel drive only grave digger. Having a hard life, but let's see if Ryder can finish this thing off. All the other trucks are going home in a casket.
Make it the track.
Dig a grave for it, Ryder. There we go. On the clock with the grave digger. Oh! Good. Yep. Put that thing back over. Oh boy, that thing is suffering. It is not going to do a backflip, Riders, unless you go full reverse into it. Oh, the poor thing, it's not long for this world. He was not there. He's like, don't you know your name? Oh, smashed himself into the ground. Great job there, Ryder. Doing what you could with the broken truck, bud.
Cameras ready? Timer ready? Judges ready? Lily, go on your first job. Last freestyle of the day, Troy and Mad Dog. Cameras are ready. Timer's ready. Troy, go to. That is time. Fill time, no rolls.